Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create Instagram stories on Android. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the story section by tapping on the top left corner. And in here, go to the camera and here just click our picture. And then you can add any sticker you want or any extra photo, or if you want to add a GIF or a location or music, you can do anything. So I'm just using this one. Tap on done and then you can just post it on your close friend story or you can post it generally. So I'm just tapping on close friends. So as you can see, my story is posted and it is interactable. So yeah, this is how you can post Instagram stories too. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.